Hello there, this is Professor Tinker. Now listen, I have a lot of customers. I have these cars here. I have lots of these. They're the Scalextric Superscales. These were made in the 90s, and they've got a flaw on them. Basically, the tires don't stay on the axle. They spin. Well, I found that there's an easy solution to this. What you do is you take a pair of grippers. Okay, let me get on my bifocals here so I can get a little closer. And what you do is you crimp, you put a crimp in the axle right there at the end. So there's a notch. Now you could do a couple of them if you want. So that when you put the tire on, it has something to grip. And that's how you fix, because these are really nice cars when they're run. They're just, you know, this is the only little problem is, just put a little crimp in that. And then when you stick that back on the chassis, see, like this, yeah, see that's good, there. See, now listen, watch. Well, if I put it on the right way, ooh, there you go. Ooh, that's very good. Oh, yeah, that runs good. Okay, so the axle, we got to do the... Now, unless you don't want to open the car, you can just crimp it right here. There, that's a good crimp. You want to get a good crimp. Good crimp. Good cracker. Good cracker. Okay, there we go. That was good cracker. That was Andy Griffith used to do the Ritz cracker commercial. Good cracker. Okay, so then you stick that back on there. And see, now they stay and they don't slip. Now, if they slip again, just put another crimp on it and you'll be fine. So that's how you fix a SCX Superscale with a gripper. And you want to crimp your axle and the tires will stay on. If you use glue, then you're in a problem because then you can't take the axle off. So that's why putting the crimp or a groove in the axle so that when you put the tire on, that they'll stay. Okay, so that, and you can do that with all these cars. Now, there's only two of them that do it, are the yellow one and this one, the Alfa Romero. Okay, because I got thousands of the yellow car. Thousands. Yeah, millions. Well, not millions, but okay, 500,000. Okay there. Thank you very much.